When considering a window replacement in Dallas, Texas, weather plays a crucial role in determining the best time to schedule installation and the type of windows to choose. With fluctuating temperatures, severe storms, and high humidity levels, homeowners need to consider how different weather conditions impact window performance and longevity. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed decision that enhances comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. Seasonal considerations for window replacement. While window replacements can be done year-round, certain seasons offer more favorable conditions than others. Spring and fall. Ideal for installation. Spring and fall are considered the best times for window replacements in Dallas. During these seasons, temperatures are moderate and humidity levels are not as extreme. This creates optimal conditions for caulking and sealing, ensuring a proper fit and long-lasting durability. Additionally, comfortable weather allows installers to work efficiently without weather-related delays. Summer. Managing extreme heat. Dallas summers are notoriously hot, with temperatures frequently exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If you choose to replace windows in summer, consider early morning or late evening installations to avoid the peak heat. High-performance windows with low E coatings and argon gas insulation can help reduce solar heat gain, keeping your home cool and lowering energy bills. Winter. Avoiding cold drafts. Winters in Dallas are generally mild, but occasional cold fronts can make installations challenging. If replacing windows in winter, ensure that installers use proper sealing techniques to prevent drafts. Choosing energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows can help maintain indoor warmth and reduce heating costs. How weather affects window selection. Choosing the right type of windows is essential for withstanding Dallas' unique climate challenges. Here's how different weather conditions influence your selection. High temperatures and sun exposure. Dallas experiences long, sunny summers, making heat resistance a top priority. Look for windows with low E glass coatings, reflect heat and UV rays to maintain indoor comfort. Double or triple pane windows, improve insulation and prevent excessive heat transfer. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. These materials resist warping and fading from prolonged sun exposure. Severe storms and high winds. Dallas is no stranger to severe thunderstorms and even tornadoes. Durable windows can help protect your home from high winds and flying debris. Consider impact-resistant glass, designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Reinforced frames. Aluminum and fiberglass frames offer added strength. Proper sealing and installation prevents leaks and enhances structural integrity. Humidity and moisture resistance. Dallas summers bring high humidity, which can lead to condensation and mold growth around windows. To combat moisture issues, opt for weatherproof seals, reduces the risk of leaks and drafts. Condensation-resistant coatings, helps minimize interior moisture buildup. Proper ventilation design, ensures airflow to prevent mold and mildew growth. Energy efficiency benefits of weather-optimized windows. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models tailored to Dallas climate can lead to substantial savings on heating and cooling bills. Energy Star rated windows with advanced glazing technologies help maintain indoor temperatures year-round. Additionally, modern windows enhance home comfort by reducing noise pollution and eliminating hot or cold spots inside your home. Final thoughts. Timing your window replacement wisely. If you're considering a window replacement in Dallas, it's important to plan around the weather to ensure smooth installation and long-term performance. Spring and fall offer the best conditions, while summer and winter require additional precautions. Investing in weather-resistant, energy-efficient windows will help you protect your home from extreme temperatures, storms, and humidity while enhancing overall comfort and savings. For expert advice and professional window installation, consult a trusted Dallas window replacement specialist. Making the right choice today will provide long-lasting benefits for years to come.